Hello and welcome to my channel. This is my very first video. I'm so excited to share my passion for healthy, delicious recipes with you in my culinary canvas. Before we start today's recipe, the Black Sea anchovies, we need to prep the supporting cast. They may be side characters, but trust me, they steal the show. Here's what we're working with today. Half bunch of parsley, 2 onions, 1 lemon, 3 tomatoes, garlic, the number is up to you. Fresh onions, again, the number is up to you. I chose 3 actually. Let's start with the fresh onions. Slice them into short pieces about 5 centimeters, 2 inches long. No need to be precise. Place them on a side dish. They'll be waiting for their moment. Next up, regular onions. Slice these into round pieces like little onion rings, but don't get too distracted, huh? Thinking about fried snacks. We are keeping things healthy here. Now, garlic. First, I'll slice one for you. But here's the thing. Health experts recommend crushing your garlic before cutting it into smaller pieces. Why? Crushing garlic activates allanized enzymes that convert allicin, a sulfur compound, into allicin, which has amazing health benefits, like boosting your immune system and fighting inflammation. So don't skip this step. It's like giving your garlic a little pep talk before it joins the dish. Tomatoes are next. Slice them up into even pieces. These will add a juicy sweetness to balance out the flavors. Now for the parsley, chop it into small pieces. Not too fine, not too chunky. Think of parsley as the confetti of this dish. It adds a pop of freshness and color. Finally, the lemon. Oh my god, the peeler is not working. You know what? Better to go with my knife. It's better, I guess, but I messed up. I can see that. Slice them into not too thick, not too thin pieces, depending on how much you want. I like a lot of lemon, so I'm going to use all of it. There we have it. All our veggies are cut, prepped, and ready for the next step. They look nice. Let's mix them with the anchovies. Now it's time to get our Black Sea anchovies ready for the oven. These fish have been cleaned. Yep. Bones too. Here's a tip for you though. Ask your local fishmonger to clean the bones for you. Give a nice tip. It's a real time saver, trust me. If you prefer to do it yourself, you're in for a little adventure. Anyway, let's add some olive oil and then half squeezed lemon. To spice things up, add 1 teaspoon of hot red pepper for a bit of heat. Adjust it based on your spice tolerance, of course. And then 1 teaspoon of oregano. This herb adds a lovely earthy aroma. Now, turmeric. Under half a teaspoon is enough. It's strong and also it's very healthy, anti-inflammatory, beautiful. Then 1 teaspoon of dried and crushed garlic. And then add 1 teaspoon of Italian spice mix. I love this one. It contains basil, garlic, onion, and so on. The ingredients will be given to you in the description below. After, some red and white pepper. It will be nice for color. And salt. Here's the thing, I'll leave the amount up to you. I believe salt is a personal choice. Season to your liking. I won't tell you how much to add. It's your dish after all. Now mix all these ingredients together with the fish so everything is nicely combined and coated. This is where the magic happens. Once everything is mixed, cover the fish and let it marinate in the fridge for at least 2-3 hours. This gives the spices time to really soak into the fish and infuse all that flavor. Trust me, it will be worth the wait. Alright, now preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius or 400 degrees Fahrenheit with no fan running. We do not want any drying or uneven cooking. For the base, we will add sliced onions, tomatoes, fresh parsley, fresh onions, garlic, all the veggies we cut earlier. This will form a delicious, flavorful bed for our fish. Now let's start laying the fish on top of the veggies, skin side up, and don't worry about it looking perfect. We want this to be rustic and delicious. That's the most important. Okay, after this first layer, We will go on to the second one. Again, we will add all the vegetables and all the fresh onions, tomatoes, parsley, whatever we have. Add them nicely, evenly. Don't forget the juices, which is coming after the tomato. Yep. Now the parsley, onion, whatever's left. Lemons, beautiful. Now, the second layer of the fish. Again, don't worry about it looking perfect. Just cover all the spaces on top of the veggies. Okay. Add a couple of slices of lemon. It's just for the show of it. And then, oh, I forgot to mention. Also add laurel leaf, which I did later. Add 2-3 pieces. I mean, it will be enough. Next, cover the top layer with some pre-soaked baking paper. It should be damp so that it steams the fish while it bakes. Pop the dish in the oven for about 30-40 minutes. And then remove the top baking paper. Let it cook for another 5-10 minutes. Check the fish a few times. And here you go, guys. The oven baked Black Sea anchovies are ready. Just look at that. Isn't it beautiful? Looks perfect to me. Let's plate it up with a little fresh parsley on top to make it extra pretty. And now, it's time to dig in. Bon appetit, guys. I hope you enjoyed this delicious salty recipe. Don't forget the kitchen rules. Just have fun. If you added your own twist, let me know in the comments. I'll show you how I make these dishes my way. But hey, your kitchen is your culinary canvas. Feel free to make changes to the recipe. Happy cooking, everyone.